If it weren't for this charging port, I firmly believe OPPO could make it even thinner. Friends, the crease handling is really exaggerated on this yet-to-be-released OPPO new large foldable Find N5. It's the first new phone I've unboxed just after the Spring Festival, and I'm a bit excited, friends. Doesn't this packaging look very high-end? Look here, OPPO AI phone. When you first open this box, you'll find that the phone is embedded inside like a piece of art. We need to lift it out. Feel it. Come on, let's peel off the film. Oh, getting hands-on with the new foldable phone, let's take a look at the crease. This is the angle I specifically found during the unboxing to best capture the crease in the light. How should I put it? It's quite smooth. Even after using it for a month, you can almost ignore its existence. Secondly, let's look at the thickness. Even when you open it, guys, I feel like if it weren't for this Type-C port, then OPPO could make it even thinner. Of course, not just in the unfolded state. Even when you fold it up, I brought an iPhone 16 Pro for comparison. How should I say it? Let's congratulate OPPO for bringing the thickness of foldable screens into a wonderful new world of 8mm. The specific measurement is 8.93mm. You heard that right. Thirdly, let's look at the folding texture. With the addition of titanium alloy, the damping in this generation is handled quite well. Let you hear the sound when it closes. Hey, let's do it again. Wow, that's the right feel. Fourthly, let's look at the appearance. The color we have here is called Jade White. On the white back panel, you can see some textures similar to jade. And of course, when you touch it with your fingers, it doesn't pick up fingerprints. The OPPO logo is slightly raised, and the Oreo-style camera module has a design that's round with some square elements. From the side, you can also notice a small cloud step, but what I particularly want to emphasize to everyone is to pay attention. Inside, there's the Hasselblad logo. And look at this camera module. What do you think it is? On the side of the phone, as you can see, there's a right angle frame with a 3-stage switch. OPPO didn't make it into a curved shape. I think OPPO's engineers might have thought it's already thin enough. And if they made it curved, it would look even thinner visually. And people might not think I'm using not a foldable, right? There's also a small detail I want to emphasize to everyone, aside from the speaker openings at the top and bottom. There are several holes here. Can you guess what they're for? Moving to the front of the phone, compared to the N3, this generation's screen has become larger, and the outer screen is a completely flat screen. Screen protector enthusiasts must be thrilled, right? With the outer screen getting larger, naturally, when you open it, the size of the inner screen has also increased. At this point, I want to tell everyone that when you hold it horizontally, it resembles an iPad mini. Finally, let me report its specifications to everyone. It features the Snapdragon 8 Plus processor, IPX6 water resistance, along with 50W wireless fast charging and reverse wireless charging. Also, there's another layer in the box that we haven't looked at yet. Here we can see an 80W fast charging adapter. As for the accessories, well, when we open it, besides the data cable, there's naturally an original protective case. It feels like a vegan leather material, and putting it on makes it feel more premium. Oh, it also provides excellent protection for the hinge, guys, even with the phone case on. This thing is so thin.